Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the easy steps to download the GACHA Plus game on your mobile device. First things first, open up your browser. I'm using Chrome, but feel free to use whichever browser you prefer. Once you've got it open, go ahead and search Google for GACHA News. After a quick search, you should see a list of results. Look for the official site and give it a click. Now that you're on the site, it's time to hunt down the search bar. Once you find it, type in GACHA Plus and hit enter. You'll see a list of related articles pop up. Tap on the one that catches your eye. As you scroll down the article, keep an eye out for the download button. Once you spot it, give it a tap and hold tight for a few seconds. After about 15 seconds, you'll be redirected to a new page. Here's where it gets good. Choose the Android option to start the download. And don't worry, this method works like a charm on iOS and Apple devices too.